Hey guys, this is a wrestling channel with Magnetti, and today I will unbox with you this guy, Kevin Owens Elite Series. Yes, my friends, we are ready to unbox Kevin Owens. Hello everyone, I'm not a collector of this series of Mattel, but I received this for mistake. Therefore, I unbox also Kevin Owens, the other member of the series, Samoa Joe, Alberto Del Rio, Kofi Kingston, Bret Hart, and Jim the Anvil Neidhart. I open the box. And here we go. With Kevin Owens unboxing. This guy, Kevin Owens, we have Kevin Owens on his package. Get free Kevin Owens. Here we go. We take a closer look of the detail. Up and down the head, the torso. Take a look at the outfit. It's amazing, the detail of this outfit for Kevin Owens. The shirt, Kevin Owens fight on the back. Also the tattoo with the bulls. I think it could be a little bit fat in real life, especially for the arms. But take a look at the movement for the arms. Number 1, number 2. The head, and also right here, maneuver for the arms of Kevin Owens, and also looks like a Mattel Master of the Universe. Take a look at the hands, also the knee, also the legs, ankle movement of Kevin Owens. I'm not a collector of this series, but I received this guy for mistake. Take a look at the short pants. Owens fight. This is Kevin Owens in my collection. Here we go. We have also the NXT Championship belt. We know it's the old NXT Championship. Take a look. It's too fat to close the championship, but there is Kevin Owens with the belt. This is Kevin Owens Elite Series. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and share the video with your friend with more WWE action figure video, especially Hasbro and Mattel Retro, but also with this guy, Kevin Owens. Take a look also once again the detail. Kevin Owens arrives in my collection.